guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do family mail. If you want to see what I got, stick around. Okay guys, so today we are doing family mail. Actually, I have a 3. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Things to show you guys today. First box is from Miss Silah. Okay, I already took the stuff out of the box. I just wanted to show you the box. Like, super cool, right? Okay. So, the first thing I got, which I absolutely love, and Silah, thank you so much. Everybody's links are going to be in the description below, so make sure you check out their channels. Like, everyone here is, like, awesome. I love these people mean so much to me. They really do. I don't know what I'd do without them, honestly. Okay. Now, I had already gotten, the Juvia's Place, the Saharan and the Nubian. And when I got them, I meant to get the Saharan too. I really like that one. And really, it's for 2 particular colors. Nicole actually got me, turned me on to Juvia's Place. And I just absolutely love them. So, thanks, Nicole. I got the Saharan 2 from Silah. And this blue here and this red, oh gosh. Like, they are so, like, you have no idea. I don't want to swatch that one. I will. Okay, the blue. I'll do this one. Do a couple shimmers. And then we'll do the red matte that I really like. Okay. Do like a few swatches here for you. Okay, here is the red that like I love. Look at that, like holy pigment. And then here's the blue. Look at that. And here is the like bronze like color. And here is the blue. Look at that. Oh, Lord. That blue is just... I love it. But those... That palette... it is just amazing. If you've never heard of Juvia's Place, you gotta check them out. Because they are, like... nice. Really nice. Very affordable. And... I, like, absolutely love them. I'm glad that I found out about them. Like, super cheap. So that's my 3rd Juvia's Place palette. I really want to get the Masquerade and the Magic palette. But this was like, top on my list to get. And the other thing that Silah sent me was, she actually had 2 of these. So, she gave me her old one, in which I love. It is the Jacqueline Hill palette. And, no, I did not have this one. What just fell? Something fell. I don't know. Anyway, here it is. I messed this up so bad. I, like, smudged. Anyway, everybody knows the Jacqueline Hill palette. This one broke, but it's fine. These colors just, all of them, like, speak to me. Like, all of them. They're all, like, amazing. The pigmentation is amazing. I love the pinks. Let's go for the blue here. And we'll do the purple. Give you some swatches of this one, just in case you never heard of them. Okay, so here is the blue. This is the pink. So pretty. Here is that gold. These are like so buttery. And then backwards, the purple. Look at that. Like, that is so pretty. So pretty. Like, I cannot wait to get into these palettes. Like, I am like super anxious. They are so, so, so pretty. Okay. Now, the second, thank you so, so, so much, Silah. Like, I love them. Both of them so much. Like, you have no idea, girl. The next mail I got was from Nicole. Nicole is freaking awesome. Totally awesome. I love that girl. Her page will be in the description below also. Definitely check her out. That girl got like every palette under the sun. She knows a lot about makeup. Like, she's just freaking awesome. Like, I love her. If you don't know Nicole, you know what you're missing. She sent me 2 Stila liquid eyeshadows in the colors Cloud and Kitten. And this one is Cloud. And this one, right beside it, is Kitten. Down here, Kitten. So pretty. I actually have Kitten on my eyes right now. I love them. Love them, love them, love them. And then she also sent me, because I ran out of eye cream, and she heard me talking about it. So this little sweetheart just sent me a bunch of eye creams, which I thought was freaking awesome. Totally awesome. Like, she's like such a sweetheart. She's like so thoughtful. Like, it really means a lot to me, Nicole. It really, really does. She also sent me the Anastasia Dip Brow for in my makeup kit. And this looks like a tiny little bit, but I've had mine for about 2 months. I haven't even used this much in one little square. Like, so freaking awesome. Like, this is perfect for my kit. Like, it is like so perfect. So again, thank you, thank you, thank you, Nicole. I really, really, really appreciate it. And you guys definitely check out her channel. Definitely. And the other thing I got today was, I got a card. I already hung it up. But I got a card from Majestic Glitz. His link will also be in the description below. He is such a sweetheart. He sent me a thank you card. And there's a little note here. It says, "Open, you gorgeous unicorn." He's so awesome. Like, he really is. He is a sweetheart. But definitely check out his channel also. Make sure you check out all 3 of their channels. For sure. And again, thank all of you guys. Silah, Nicole, Glitz, thank you so, so, so much. It really does mean a lot to me. There's 2 other things I wanted to show you guys real quick. I also got myself a palette today, and that palette was the Be a Mermaid and Make Waves from Tarte. That is beautiful. I have this on now. I used this color, and this color, and this color. I think it's like absolutely beautiful in the packaging. Who would not love this? It's like fabric. Like, it's so nice. And everyone is unique. Like, it is just so cool. Like, I absolutely love it. And then one more. I got the, I'm gonna get it open here. I needed some mattes. Something I can just throw in a bag, you know. So I got the Too Faced Natural Mattes. And this is what it looks like. It is so, so, so pretty. I'll do some swatches of this for you. ones that you can actually see. Oops, I didn't even, oh, I already used that finger. I'm a ding dong. They're like super light. They're like browns. So pretty. And it smells like chocolate. It's like beautiful. I want to get the natural face one. I think I'm going to get that one next. But this packaging is so thick. And it's so cute. Like so nice. I love that. I didn't do any swatches of this one for you guys. I'm sure you guys have seen swatches of this already. But I'm going to just do, let's see. I can do, let's do this red here. And we'll do the green. And we'll do the gold over here. And let's see. Let's do the blue. Okay. Ooh, that red. I skipped a finger. Let's find another one here. Let's do the color Bubbles. Wow. Okay, guys, so this color right here has a major shift. Watch. Total shift. Like, how cool is that? It's like a pearlish, maroonish color. This palette is absolutely beautiful. Like, absolutely beautiful. That is just amazing. So look at that, guys. These things really shimmer. Wow. Really like that a lot. Okay, well, that is all I have for you today. Just wanted to get that out there, and thank you guys so much. Like I said, again, please, you guys, check out everyone's channel in the links below. You are not going to regret it. They are awesome. Their videos are awesome. You're going to love them. Trust me. Okay, guys, until next time.